The name is Memory Technology in Middle East. Distributor for Toshiba, distributor for Samsung, distributor for Clive, and so many other brands, all in memory.
MTC is doing and introducing the best product for their customers. They are carrying much more brands. They are a distributor of Toshiba, Samsung, Clive, and Kingston. So I believe doing business with MTC is the best things to do in the future.
We are distributor for Toshiba, Samsung, Adata, Clive, almost all the flash memory brands. We believe that the memories are more important.
Memory Technology Middle East is being in distribution business and partner with Samsung for the last 10 years in MENA region, exchanging technology from HDD to SSD. So that's why we are focusing in distributing all the products in all the Middle East.